Change from I to a C after installing Windows 8. I had my drive controller configured for IDE when I installed Windows 7. This didn't change when I upgraded to Windows 8. I now need to enable a C, but doing so causes Windows to fail to start. It doesn't know how to automatically fix the problem. I was able to use regedit from the recovery area, in order to try using this fix that worked for Vista. That key is missing in Windows 8, however. I read that the relevant key is now _local_machine /system/current control set /services/store C. But my settings already match the changes they suggest making. How can I get Windows to boot after enabling a C in the BIOS?
Using regedit, set the key. And also in the start override tree in store C. That value needs to be changed to 0. After restarting, it should work. You can also delete the whole start override block. Note, if you don't switch to a C on the very next boot, the system will create a new start override value of 3, and you'll have to repeat the process.
I found the solution without having to do a manual registry hack. Click the Restart button with Shift key and follow the prompts for advanced options through several screens. Eventually, you end up at a screen that tells you upon reboot you will be able to so many things, including starting in safe mode. The only button will be a restart button on this screen. Reboot. Before Windows starts, enter BIOS setup. Change the SATA mode in BIOS to whatever you would like, IDE, AHCI or RAID XHG. Boot into Windows. Step 1. Configured Windows to ask you what type of boot options you would like to use. Number 4 is Safe Mode. This will get the proper drivers for the BIOS setting loaded on the system, into memory, and the registry configured correctly for you. No other configuration is required. Reboot Windows in normal mode. Windows will use the configuration that it automatically self-fixed in step 4.
Run sconfig. Right-click far left bottom corner of desktop, then left-click Run, type sconfig. Click Boot tab, mark Safe Boot, Restart, change to a C in BIOS, Boot, Windows boots in safe mode. Run sconfig again, Boot tab unmark Safe Boot, Restart PC. PC works fine. Don't mess with regedit, you only need to boot in safe mode to fix this, very simple.